10 extremely simple daily habits that will change your life. 1. Drink water in the morning. Drinking water first thing in the morning is a great way to jumpstart your body. It not only jolts the brain to action, but it also helps your body to rehydrate and to expel toxins that accumulated overnight. 2. Go for a walk. The health benefits of walking are numerous, and enough reason for anyone to get their walking shoes on at least once every day. Walking improves heart health, in muscle growth, metabolism, and keeps the body fit. A brisk morning walk will also have you feeling more alert and sharper, not to mention it will give you your daily dose of exercise. 3. Take breaks. Taking a break allows your mind to recoup lost energy and helps to break the monotony of working constantly. If you've ever been sucked into the desperate boredom that accompanies hours of mind-numbing work, then you will appreciate the reprieve 5 minutes of rest affords your brain. 4. Add fruits. The importance of a balanced diet in the day-to-day life of an individual remains largely unrecognized, especially as our schedules become more hectic and we find less and less time sneak in a simple snack, let alone an entire meal. If you're like everyone else, then your productivity is hinged on how you're currently feeling. 5. Disconnect. In this fast-paced digital age, it's easy to get lost in screens and touchpads. The benefits of routinely disconnecting yourself from your digital life go beyond better sleeping habits and improved social skills. Switching off allows you to reconnect with yourself and with your environment. 6. Stop and listen. After learning to put away distractions, another habit that will change your life, particularly how you relate to other people and to your environment, is the art of listening. These days, too many people are concerned about appearing observant rather than actually being alert. 7. Wind down. Before bed, it's important to take about 30 minutes to an hour to relax and wind down before you go to bed. To be clear, you will not be sleeping, neither will you be catching up on the latest Game of Thrones episode. The wind down period is a period when you put away all distractions and simply let your mind unwind from the stressful day. 8. Go to bed early. Going to sleep early can help restore your circadian rhythm and drastically improve the quality of your sleep. The body's sleep cycle is delicate and can be affected by just about anything we do during our sleeping hours. Therefore, sticking to a fairly regular bedtime routine which involves giving yourself plenty of time to catch some Z's is a good way to keep your sleep cycle in check. 9. Wake up early. If you wake up early regularly, your body will become accustomed to being active during the earlier period of the day, and as you may already know, morning hours are the best for creativity and productivity, so capitalizing on your well-rested mind will always play to your advantage. 10. Stay positive. It's easy to wonder how staying positive can help make your life better. Well, think about it this way: when you're positive, you deal with disappointments better and are therefore more likely to manage stress in a healthy way. This alone is enough reason to learn how to stay positive, especially when everything seems to be falling apart. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.